Turkey, a gateway between Asia and Europe. This is where Muslims and Christians shared places of worship over time. A place where rich and influential merchants would trade spices. It was the heart of the ancient world. And today, it's a metropolis of culture.
Today in Istanbul, it's all about the mosques and the touristic spots. So first off, I'm going to hit the Blue Mosque, which is one of the most infamous places. And also you have the Sophia just next door to it. It's an incredible place. Come early in the morning. I'm here at about 7 o'clock and there's no one here and it's absolutely perfect.
Hagia Sophia means in Greek, holy wisdom. It was a place of worship, but now it's a museum open to everybody.
Right behind me is the Sophia, which is an amazing Christian and Muslim temple or religious place where at certain times where both were taken over around the 1400s. The Blue Mosque was built by the first Sultan Ahmed in the early part of the 16th century. He even worked on it himself. Amazing to think that someone at such a young age of 14 could create such an impressive building for the world to see now. A little bit of history on the Blue Mosque was actually, it's never called that by the Turks. It was always called the Sultan Ahmed. And also, this also was a very big belief that it shouldn't be just only a mosque, but also a school for astronomy, also for royal family. Also, they did a bazaar here, a marketplace. So it was really a place of culture and learning. And to this day, all those rooms are still used, but perhaps for a few different reasons, like the Tourist Information Office.
The Grand Bazaar is an amazing lair of alleyways and narrow streets, selling all sorts of things from carpet to plateware and also to bags and of course suitcases as well. Not really authentic, but anyhow, it's a great experience and you should definitely come here and see what the Grand Bazaar has to offer. But bargain hard because it will be very difficult to get a good price. You can get better prices elsewhere. The spice market is definitely worth going and is one of my most favorite places. What I love about it is that you can try a lot of the spices. There's also a lot of different spice mixes that even the locals themselves have made up. There's a lot of different styles of oreganos that they've mixed up with chilies and saffrons and mint, dried mint in there. But also don't forget to try the cheeses. The cheeses in Turkey are sensational. And also, there's a lot of pulses that they use, and then also some amazing nougat and nut sweets and desserts that are definitely worth a try. To be honest, if I had more time, I could spend a whole day here.